Hi, Tim from Friendly Fires. This is how to remove the glass from the Enviro E20 gas fireplace. First, remove the front. And just set it down out of the way. And on the top of this one, there's two clips. Reach in with two hands. And you can see the clip just flip up out of the way, both sides, and then the glass just tips out. On the bottom, there's two little pins corresponding on the sides. Oh, sorry, it's in here. And corresponding here. You just line them up. So to put it back on, slide it on, tip it over and make sure the bottom goes into the slots. Bring it right back up. Two fingers, pull it forward and down. Pull it forward and down. You can't see it on this one. Some of them you can see where they drop through. Anyway, that's it. Spring loaded.